History of Multan. Multan is an ancient city located in the southern Punjab province of Pakistan. The city has a rich history that dates back to ancient times, and it has been an important center of trade, culture, and religion in the Indian subcontinent. Multan is believed to have been founded by the Hindu sage Kashyapa in ancient times. The city was later ruled by a number of dynasties, including the Mauryans, the Greeks, the Scythians, and the Kushans. During this time, Multan served as an important trading hub and a center of religious and cultural exchange. In the 8th century, Multan came under the rule of the Arab Umayyad Caliphate. The Arab rulers introduced Islam to the city, and Multan became a center of Islamic learning and scholarship. The city was also a hub of trade and commerce, and it played an important role in the trade routes that connected Central Asia with the Indian subcontinent. In the 10th century, Multan was conquered by the Ghaznavids, a Muslim dynasty that ruled over a vast empire that included parts of present-day Iran, Afghanistan, and Pakistan. The Ghaznavids were known for their military prowess and their patronage of the arts and culture. Multan became a center of Islamic art and architecture during this period, and many beautiful mosques and tombs were built in the city. In the 12th century, Multan was conquered by the Ghurids, another Muslim dynasty that was based in present-day Afghanistan. The Ghurids continued the tradition of Islamic art and architecture in Multan, and they built many beautiful monuments in the city, including the famous Ghanta Ghar clock tower. In the 13th century, Multan came under the rule of the Delhi Sultanate, a Muslim dynasty that was based in present-day India. The Delhi Sultanate was known for its military conquests and its patronage of the arts and culture. Multan became a center of Islamic scholarship and literature during this period, and many important works of Islamic literature were produced in the city. In the 16th century, Multan came under the rule of the Mughal Empire, a Muslim dynasty that ruled over a vast empire that included parts of present-day India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. The Mughals were known for their patronage of the arts and culture, and Multan became a center of Islamic art and architecture during this period. Many beautiful monuments were built in the city, including the famous Shah Rukn-e-Alam Mausoleum. In the 18th century, Multan was conquered by the Afghan ruler Ahmad Shah Durrani. The city came under the rule of the Sikhs in the early 19th century, and it remained under their control until the British annexed it in 1848. During the British colonial period, Multan became an important center of trade and commerce. The city was a hub of agricultural production, and it played an important role in the British Empire's efforts to control the food supply of the Indian subcontinent. Many important infrastructure projects were built in the city during this period, including a railway line and a canal system. After the partition of India in 1947, Multan became part of Pakistan. The city continued to be an important center of trade and commerce, and it played an important role in the country's efforts to modernize and develop its economy. Many important infrastructure projects were built in the city during this period, including a new airport and a number of industrial estates. Today, Multan is a thriving city with a rich cultural and historical heritage. It is known for its beautiful Islamic art and architecture. Research and made by Muhammad Amir.